Wow, YouTube is going on, man. It's nice swag. Welcome back to the video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're gonna get this haircut in, finally. I think this is the end of a 2.5 month wolf, if I'm correct. Don't hold me to it, but we're gonna get into this cut. Today I'm gonna teach you step by step what I do. We're gonna start with cutting, what guards I use, then the trimmer, shape up, the whole line. But first and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and thank you all for tuning in. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It helps the channel so much. Also, while you're here, please like the video. Without any further ado, let me show you what I'm looking like, and then we're gonna get into it. Yes, ma'am. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're going to be cutting our hair. It's time to let this thing go. We're gonna comb the hair, raise the hair off of the scalp, prepare it to cut. I'll be using the 3 guard. Then I may go against the grain with the 6 guard. That is the same thing as you're going with the grain. And then with our trimmers. So if you have the guard closed, that will keep the blades together as much. If you open the guard, that separates the blades. This will add a 0.5 to your hair. This will take away. Guard open, guard closed. Guard open, guard closed. So when you put a guard on, let's say I put a 6 on. Okay, it's on. Now if I open the guard, if I open the lever, that now makes it a 6.5. If I close it, that makes it a 6. The same thing with the 3. Put the 3 on, it's a 3. But if I open it, it becomes a 3.5. If I close it, it's a 3. Now if I go with the grain of my hair, meaning the guard is following the grain of my hair, that is a 3. But if I take the guard and I cut my hair like this against my hair, I'm going against the grain. So a 3 against the grain will be a 1.5. You're subtracting in half. 3 will be with the grain, against the grain is a 1.5. If I do a 2 with the grain, it is a 2 with the grain. If I do a 2 against the grain, it is now a 1. You are subtracting half. So if I do a 4 against the grain, it is now a 2 with the grain. I hope you learned that. All right, first and foremost, let's comb the hair out. Let's prepare for the cut, and then we will continue. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and if there's anyone out there that, oh, his hair isn't long, it's very short, let me show you real quick what the art of wolfing does. Okay, do you see that? And you thought my hair was long? The camera may be fooling you. This thing is long. I can pull, I can twist, this thing has gotta go. It's gotta go. It's really gotta go. So we'll be taking care of that today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the hair all lifted up for the scalp, all lifted off everything. It's loose, it's not up against your hair. Okay, cool. Everything has been decompressed and prepped. Cool, that's first and foremost. Now we're gonna take our clipper, turn it on. Again, this is a 3 guard. I will be going with the grain, this way with my pattern. The exact same way I brush is the exact same way I'm gonna cut. If I don't like it or if it's still too long, you might take it down to a 2.5. I'm not sure, but let's start with the 3 and we'll go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to break real quick. What I'm doing with this mirror is I'm literally looking at the mirror right behind me and also the camera. That way I can see as best. You never want to blind cut it all. You never want to take faith and think that, you always want to use the mirror so you can direct and see what you are doing to your hair. So I'm using a mirror behind me with a mirror in my hand to help direct myself. Wow, All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that 3 guard might just do it. Let's check it out. Always you want to comb out the hair after to get rid of the loose hairs. Make sure everything is even out. Alright, now that it's done, ladies and gentlemen, basically the cut is done. Now I'm going to work on the sides right here. So basically we call this a taper. I'm going to be using the 1 guard. I will put it on and we're just gonna work on the sides from here down. We just wanna, like, you know, clean this up just a little bit. You wanna make sure it's on. Look, you wanna make sure that's on. If this is not on and you start cutting, you're in trouble. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we get to the back, this line right here, we just want to keep that there. We're going to take the 1 guard and just basically go overhead just to get light. Staying right here, we do not want to touch the waves. The same thing with the left side. That's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are going to shape everything up with our trimmers. We will be using these trimmers. They are by the Cut Buddy. The link for the description will be in the description below. You can try them out. I'll be using these trimmers. I'll also be using the Cut Buddy trimmer, so that can help me with my shape up. I am not a professional barber, but you can cop these products with the description below. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's brush out these loose hairs to get everything prepped. You know, you want to get all these loose hairs out of your hair. Comb them out, brush them out. You know, it will help so much after cutting everything down. Alright, let's prep for the shape up. Okay, how I'm going to start is, I'm going to take my Cut Buddy, put it directly up against my head, just like this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got it right where we want it. We're going to keep the Cut Buddy right there. Turn on the trimmer, and simply, bam. Alright, now the other side. The same exact thing that we did on the left. See this? We're going to do to the right. Now the front. Right into the camera. Right into the camera. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, man. That's basically the cut. Just brush everything out. Let me know what y'all think too. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got that all cut and cleaned up, y'all let me know what y'all think about the full results. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. If you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. It helps the channel grow so much. I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. Let me know what you think about the video. Until the next video, please keep it locked and subscribe.